Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Indu. I make videos on makeup, skincare, hair care and lifestyle. I thought मुझे बैठ के याद करना पड़ेगा कि मेरा intro क्या था, because it has been a very long time since I've uploaded a video on YouTube. So for today's video, you already know that I'm gonna be showing you this look right here. It's going to be a very easy and a look that a lazy girl would love to do on a festive day. I would say this makeup look is specially or ideal for girls who do not want to spend hours in getting ready on even on their festive days, but still wanna look presentable and put together. So I think this makeup look is going to be an ideal one for you. So without any further ado, let's just begin with the video. Okay, for primer I'm gonna use an aloe vera gel. This is by Patanjali. You can actually use any aloe vera gel that you have. I'll just use a very pea-sized amount and apply all over my face. Okay, so I'm gonna let it absorb a little bit onto my skin, and then I'll just move on to my base. Okay, so my aloe vera gel has completely soaked into my skin. For foundation, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Since it is a daytime look, I'm not gonna go over ham with the foundation. I'll just apply a very little bit of it. Always drag your foundation to your neck and also to your ear, just to make it look a little bit more cohesive. Otherwise sometimes it might look like you are wearing a mask on your face rather than foundation. So I'll just take a little bit and apply on my under eye area and also prime my lids. Alright, next I'm gonna move on to setting my face. For that I'll be using Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'll use this shade, like the shade that is there for setting your face. I'm gonna use that and set my whole face with that. With a very light hand. I'm not gonna go overboard with the setting with the powder. I'm quickly gonna bronze up my face using this shade as well from the same contouring palette. I'll just bronze with a very light hand. Once that is done, what I'll do is I'll take my damp beauty sponge and just run it all over my face with a very light hand. इससे क्या होगा, it will ensure that if you have used excessive powder on your face, that will just ensure that it picks up all the excess powder from the face, and that way your face isn't gonna look cakey. So that's done. Alright, so now I'm gonna move on to my eyes now. For that I'll be using a eyeliner. Use whatever you have. You can use gel eyeliner, you can use pencil or liquid or those felt tip liners. Use whatever you are comfortable with. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll just make a sort of a half wing, and the liner will end just at the center of my eyes. So I'll just do that, and I'm not gonna talk while I'm applying the liner because I might mess it up. So yeah. Alright, so your liner should look something like this once you are done with that. So I'm quickly gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then we'll move on to the next step. Once I'm done with that, what I'll do is I'll take an angled brush like this, and then I'll use this sort of a magenta shade from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. To be honest, you don't really need specifically this palette to do the look. You can use any eyeshadow palette or any eyeshadow shade that you have. I'm just using an magenta shade. If you want, you can also use dark brown, black, or any color of your choice. So next what I'm gonna do is I'll dip the angled brush on this shade and I'll finish the half liner that I did. I'll join the liner from here. I hope that makes sense. And just make sure to stamp the shade on your eyes. Don't drag it, otherwise you can mess up the liner as well. Alright, so that is done. You see, that was really easy and it's looking like you have made so much of an effort, but you haven't really. So I'm quickly gonna finish this eye and then be back. Next what I'm gonna do is I'll tightline my upper and lower waterline with the same liner that I just used. And I'll tightline the lower waterline just halfway through, not all the way to the inner corners, because that way I feel like my eyes look a little bit smaller, which I don't really want. And once that is done, I'm gonna again use the same shade from the same eyeshadow palette with the same brush and like sort of smudge the liner that I just created on my lower waterline, just to give it a little bit of a diffused look. And this time I'm gonna take the shade all the way to the inner corners as well. Okay, so once that is done, what I'll do is I'll brush up my eyebrow hairs. At this stage, just feel free to do your eyebrows just the way you like to do. I usually don't do anything to my eyebrows, so I'm gonna just brush them through, and then I'll highlight my inner corners and also my brow bone area. And for that I'll be using Nykaa Glow Getter highlighting palette. It's in the shade 24K Glam, and I'll be using the warm gold shade. Now since so much is going on the eyes, try not to skip highlighting the inner corners of your eyes, because this step ensures that it opens up your eyes and make it look even more wider and open. Alright, so we are pretty much done. I'll again use the same highlighter and highlight my face as well, but I'll use another shade, that is this rose goldy shade. And since I have not applied any blush, I'll use this highlighter. Since it has a little bit of a pinkish tone to it, I'll also apply it as a blush and as a highlighter. So I'm taking it from my cheeks, from here all the way up to my temples. So that way it gives a very, dewy finish to your skin. I'm almost done. I'll just finish it off with a lipstick, Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Give Me Mocha. I love wearing this lipstick especially on daytime occasions, since it has a very thin consistency. It does not feel heavy and looks really beautiful. Alright, so I just realized that I completely skipped on the mascara, so I'm quickly gonna do my mascara. I'll just curl my lashes. And do like a very thin layer of mascara, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. It's in the washable variant. Alright, so now we are officially done with the makeup look. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And for today's video, you already know that I'm gonna showing you. And for today's video, you already know that I'm gonna move on to my foundation for prime. Okay, next what I'm gonna do is I'll tight line my water and my lower waterline.